darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
In restful dream I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the hollow of rusty land, I turn my color to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that filled the night and touched the sound of silence.
And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs, their voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence.
For said I you do not know, silence like a cancer
grows.
If I wanna die, why did you take my honor down? Why did you want my world like a silent rain of
And get gold in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words said it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of